Hi, welcome back to Midday. I'm Courtney Robinson here with Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins. And you know what? When hurricane season is coming, we're just 3 weeks away almost now.
Less than that. Yeah.
Unbelievable. 10 Tampa Bay, of course, is your hurricane headquarters. We're keeping you informed, prepared, and connected all season.
You know, people often ask, they know about flooding, they know about the wind, they know about the storm surge, but are there tornadoes and hurricanes? We actually got that question. So here's an explanation that I put together. Yes, tornadoes form during hurricanes. Now, they're not huge, but they are still very dangerous and hard to see because they're wrapped in all of that rain. The right front quadrant is the most dangerous side of a hurricane for tornadoes, but they can happen anywhere. Now, know where your safe space is in your home. The best is a room with 4 walls and no windows. Remember to watch our Storm Ready special Thursday, June 1st at 8 p.m.
And you can text your general questions to us at the number right here on your screen, 727-577-8522, and we will try to help answer them throughout the month.